Percy worked hard at the new harbor. The workmen needed stone for their stone. Toby helped, but sometimes the loads of stone were too heavy, and Percy had to fetch them for himself. Thomas!
So Topham had said you needed to collect the cocaine truck.
Oh, no reverse card. Now you've got to call up the truck full of cocaine.
Wait, what the fuck?
Oh, said Percy. Who are you? I'm Helicopter. Who are you? I'm Percy. Whirly great arms you've got. They're nice arms, said Harold. I can hover like a bird. Don't you wish you could hover?
No.
Said Percy, sliding past the board. Percy was frantic. That's enough!
Hooray! I survived.